Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm at a garage sale today. No, not one out on the road. This one's at my house. We decided that there were enough things in the basement that we needed to get rid of some of them. And I've got a lot of projects that I've finished and really don't need anymore. So Old Sneelock and Lydia, the designer, are going to be having a garage sale this weekend, Friday and Saturday. Now, today I'm making tables for the sale, so I have to have a lot of tables. There's going to be a lot of stuff. If you get a time, why don't you stop by at 9539 East DE Avenue in Richland, Michigan. Yeah, we'll be happy to see you, and I'll be out here. You can get a chance to meet Old Sneelock and Lydia. She'll be the one taking the money because it doesn't seem to stay in my hands very long. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on this channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. And I got to get back to work because I got a lot of tables to make.